Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 7th of February, 2023. Man, let's talk about GameStop today to see if we're getting some indication that the market is about to break out. So take a look. I did a price prediction in GameStop all the way back on the 19th of January, right here. Okay, it's still here. Don't worry about it. I show you all the plays, the predictions of what occurred into the market, and I always come back and show you what happened. So I was looking for GameStop to go higher, and here it is today. Market in GameStop over the last 3 days, the last 3 trading days, the market came to where we expected it. Okay, 15.5% was hit on the 2nd, 3rd, and the 4th. Now I told you that we wanted the market in GameStop. Take a look at that. This is so powerful. This is why understanding the language analysis in the stock market is so important, because I told you on that particular day we wanted to see price in GameStop hold $19. Right here on the 19th of January, even on the 20th, take a look. Buyers came in. This was confirmation that our idea was still valid. Price did not break $19. And I told you all about that before it even happened. Because imagine if you had a stop loss on the exchange ready to take a loss at 19. You would have missed out on a prediction that you was actually correct on. See, that's why I tell you all, you need to have a mental stop loss. Only you need to know where your stop loss is at, because you would have got stopped out here if you would have physically had a stop loss on the exchange ready to be executed. You would have lost on a prediction that you were right on. Powerful. So let's get back into it. Let's see if the market in GameStop actually is on a breakout phase, because currently, take a look. We're trending in GameStop, right? So let's clean this up first. Now, my only concern is all of this price action in GameStop right here. Okay, this is a major concern for me in a breakout occurring into GameStop. We have a lot of people trapped right in between $27.50 to like $23. We got a lot of people trapped here. They haven't seen any positive gains in GameStop. So the moment that they see price come back up to $25, $27.50, guess what they're going to do? Yes, they're going to quickly sell. Now, some people may hold out and say, I'm going to hold. I'm going to see the market in GameStop go a lot higher than that. So the buyers has to take out all of this. People, traders, institutions who've been simply holding the bag. That is where the work is going to occur in GameStop. Will they be successful? That is why this is a game of probabilities. Look at this on the 5-weekly chart for GameStop, okay? Prior 5 weeks, volatility really came through. Would you agree? We saw the market go up, we saw the market go down, and even the price closed well off of the highs. There's a lot of transactions going on at GameStop. People are trying to figure out what to do. They're trying to figure out, okay, is GameStop going to go lower? Is it going to go higher? People are trying to figure this thing out. That is what the 5-weekly price chart is showing us. 3 weeks. So what I really want to do is look on the conclusion of the 3-weekly price bar at GameStop, because I would tell you in the next 3 days and 9 hours, if I do see price close up here at the high of this 3-weekly price bar, then we will have to continue to be bullish and continue to look for market go up. Same things on the 2 weeks chart. In the next 3 days and 9 hours, we need to see price close at the high, because if it does, then I'm looking for the market to run to 26, definitely around 27.50. Okay. Take a look at this on the 3-day. On the 5-day. We have 8 hours and 53 minutes on this one. But again, we want to see it close at the high. If it doesn't, and it close off of the highs, then it tells us that there's still some selling coming to the market in GameStop. 3-day chart. Okay. The market has been battling between the sellers. I'll give the market credit for that, because I'm seeing a lot of selling come into the market. This is selling. more selling, but the market is still able to close higher than the previous close of the 2-day chart. So I cannot be massively bullish. I cannot say that the stock is ready to break out. I want us to wait and see, because there's still a lot of people in here selling. So considering that price and GameStop has traded, I want us to hold, market needs to hold, instead of $19 now, it needs to hold this area here. It looks around 22. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extend these two lines here. We already got the trend that we're following in GameStop. That would be better. So we have like two options. We want price ultimately to trade on the trend line. This is what we want to see happen, because that tells us that the market is definitely bullish. But if the next outlook will have to be, okay, cool, if it doesn't want to hold the trend, then we want to see it hold 22, because that also tells us that buyers are still here in the market in GameStop. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait. Like I said, I want us to allow price and GameStop to confirm either one of these two lines. Until we get that confirmation, we need to consider that they're still sellers and that they still have the ability to lower price. So I'm just going to kick back, let the market work itself out. And once we get more confirmation, i.e. price holds this ascending line or it holds $22, then we'll have a better idea. If price breaks those two lines, guess what? We have a better idea as to what market is up to. See, there's no need for us to dispose our resources to this play. We let everyone else do it. Let them risk losing the money. Let them risk losing their ideas to where price is going to go. So we'll just see. Give me your thoughts though. Let me know what you think's about to happen in GameStop. Are we going to see price continue to be bullish, run to $27.50? Because as of right now, that would be the plan. But as always, plans don't always work out. Okay? So I'm gonna chill out on this one. You guys don't have to. Let me know, what do you think then? Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.